Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty, soft icing dumplings or Pufpuf or Kaimati in another name. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of water, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 7 grams of yeast, which is approximately to 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and lastly 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. In a medium-large mixing electric mixer, or you can use a hand mixer or your hands, start by adding all the dry ingredients, which are wheat flour, sugar, salt, cardamom powder, and some yeast. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Then mix everything for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute. Lastly, gradually pour some water. I'm going to use approximately 3/4 cup of water. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing until everything is nicely combined. Mix the dough constantly for approximately 7 to 10 minutes until there's no any lumps left out. Once the dough is ready, you're going to take a medium-large bowl, then grease it with some oil to avoid the dough from sticking in the bowl. Then afterwards, place the dough in the bowl. Cover the dough using a foil and place it in a warm place to double size for approximately 1 hour or more depending on your yeast. So after approximately 1 hour, my dough has double size as you can see in the video, and it's high time to fry our dumplings. And it's high time to deep fry our dumplings. Place some oil on a frying pot and let the oil to heat up a bit, not too hot, to avoid the dumplings from becoming too dark. When deep frying the dumplings or the kaimati or the Pufpuf, we have several methods. You can use a piping bag, your hands, a machine, or you can use a spoon like me. So today I'm going to use the process of spoon. Dip the spoon in the oil before scooping the dough to avoid the dough from sticking on the spoon. Repeat the same process until the frying pot is full with the dough. Fry the dumplings in a medium-low heat until the dumplings are golden brown, or you can fry them until they're more darker, that's up to you. Personally, I prefer my dumplings to have this golden brown color, or you can make them more darker, that's up to you. And my dumplings are ready, and remove them from the oil and place them on a plate. Lastly, I'm going to drizzle some icing sugar to add an extra amazing sweetness on my kaimatis. Like, these kaimatis are so tasty. Serve your dumplings or kaimati or your Pufpuf with a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy your kaimati. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make these dumplings, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram Rukias Kitchen for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye!